The Metaverse, a digital wonderland where fantasies come alive and possibilities are endless. But like any universe, it has its dark corners. In this video, let's explore the dark side of the Metaverse and how to stay safe from the cyber threats that are emerging in the Metaverse. Identity theft. Malicious actors can exploit vulnerabilities and steal identities. To protect yourself, use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and never share personal information with strangers. Addiction. Set time limits, balancing Metaverse activities with real-life responsibilities. If addiction becomes a concern, seek immediate help. Harassment. In the Metaverse, just like in the real world, you may encounter trolls, cyberbullies, and toxic individuals. Protect yourself by reporting harassment, blocking offenders, and prioritizing your mental health. Financial risks. Many Metaverse platforms have their own virtual economies where you can buy and sell virtual goods. Be cautious with your real money transactions and only use trusted payment methods. Security risks. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in Metaverse platforms to access your account or personal data. To stay safe, enhance cybersecurity by keeping software and devices updated using antivirus software. In the battle for virtual security, we're not defenseless. Armed with awareness and good practices, we can boldly enter into the Metaverse, where exciting adventures await us. Follow our page for more videos about cybersecurity awareness.